I need to sell it while I still can and dump the Cybertruck. So I am going to take the Cybertruck to Carmax for an appraisal to see what they say. Welcome to Hoovies Garage, the dumbest automotive channel in all of YouTube. And yes, I am dumping my Cybertruck after only a month because there are some things with this that I really don't like. Also, some things that Tesla have done with the new Cybertruck make me feel kind of icky. And also, the main reason, I'm scared of catastrophic depreciation. The bottom is falling out on these, and I feel like if I still have this thing by the end of the year, I'll lose $30,000, $40,000 or more. And with all the dumb decisions I've made lately, it's time to make a smart one and dump this thing. Now, before we get into this, I do want to say this is my opinion and my judgments on the car based on my personal opinion, my firsthand experiences, and what I have read online with other Tesla owners. And I may be wrong on some of this. This is certainly my opinion, and I'm just reading information. I may have a few facts wrong, so please take that with a grain of salt. And Tesla, if you're watching this, it is just my opinion, and yeah, don't sue me out of existence for having a negative opinion. Please, please, pretty please. But I am not worried about Tesla suing me for selling my Cybertruck, even though they threatened that they would, because they haven't done it to anyone else yet that I know of, although they may want to make an example out of me. We'll see. Uh-oh. So when the Cybertruck was unveiled over 4 years ago, it was supposed to have a price of around $60,000 for the all-wheel drive, have 500 miles of range, and look like this incredible spaceship-looking thing from the future. And they did deliver on the looks. I do personally love the looks. People are divided on it, but I personally love it. But what we got as far as specs isn't the same. Foundation Series, to own the very first Cybertruck, you had to pay a minimum of $100,000. And the range, only 340 miles, or you could pay an extra 15 grand for a range extender that takes up a lot of your rear cargo space. You buy a truck to haul things, so you have to sacrifice that bed space for another 100 or so miles. And with a Cybertruck, you're supposed to get a lot of extras, not just the laser-etched Foundation Series thing on the body. You're supposed to get full self-driving standards, so the autopilot system. You're supposed to get a cool light bar across the top, and Tesla's really cool power share that allows you to plug in the Tesla, and say if your power goes out, it automatically kicks on as a backup generator and can run your home. But I haven't gotten any of those things. More on that in a little bit. Supposedly, over 1 million people put down a deposit on a Cybertruck.